Introducing the Erowa-Compatible Angle Rotating Chuck Tunnel Holder from Rapid Holding Systems. This tool is designed for machinists and engineers who need precise angle adjustments and robust clamping for round materials. From adapting bases for System 3R or Erowa-Compatibility to upgrading the collet size, we make it work for your specific need. Say goodbye to inefficiencies with this versatile holder. Here's what makes this tool a game changer. Rotatable angle range of plus and 50 degrees with clear 5-degree markings for precise adjustments. Clamps round materials up to F10 mm securely, ensuring accuracy. Equipped with a factory standard ER16 collet and accepts custom orders for upgrades like the ER20 collet, at Rapid Holding Systems, we know one size doesn't fit all. That's why this tool is fully customizable. Visit our website today to explore the Erowa-Compatible Angle Rotating Chuck Tunnel Holder and customize it to your needs. Click the link in the description or go to www.rapidholdingsystems.com to get started.